I pozdrav sokolovi moji, dobrodošli u novi video. Danas snimam jednu retro igricu, ne znam jeste li igrali, ali u pitanju je Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare. Ovu igricu sam odlučio da snimam jer je prije par godina izašao njen remaster i prvo hoću da uradim staru verziju i onda novu verziju da vidim kakve su zapravo razlike. Ja sam sve učito, preskočio sam neki uvod.
You know the drill. Go to station 1 and aim your rifle down range. Now aim your rifle down range. Now shoot each target, aiming down the sight. Okay, mate. One more time.
Up.
Aim.
Oh, ne.
Down your. Sights. Now, shoot at
Daj, neću da revert.
the target
Čuli ga.
while firing from the hip. Now I'm going to block the targets with a sheet of plywood. I want you to shoot the targets through the wood. Good. Bullets will penetrate thin, weak materials like wood, plaster,
Okej, to
and sheet
skapirao.
metal. Now
Aj
I'm going
dalje.
to make the targets pop up one at a time. Hit all of them as fast as you can.
Okej.
Proper, good job, mate. Now go get a sidearm from the armory. Good. Now switch to your rifle. Now pull out your sidearm. Remember, switching to your pistol is always faster than reloading. Using your knife is even faster than switching to your pistol. Knife the watermelon. Nice. Your fruit
Doktor,
skills are
brat.
remarkable. The Price wants to see you.
Jesam ja ovam, jes.
It's the FMG, sir. Go easy on him, sir. It's his first day in the regiment.
Right. What the hell kind of name is Soap, eh?
Brate, mi čuje ime sapunica. Sapun.
So it's your turn for the CQB test. Everyone else head to observation. For this test, you'll have to run the cargo ship solo in less than 60 seconds.
Okej.
Gaz holds the current squadron record at 19 seconds. Good luck. Climb the ladder over there.
Pa šta? A, kako je glasna muzika.
Pick up that MP5 and 4 flashbangs. On my go, I want you to rope down to the deck and rush to position 1. After that, you will storm down the stairs to position 2. Then hit position 3 and 4, following my precise instructions at each position. Grab the rope when you're ready. Go! Hit the target! Position 2, go! Hit the target! Flashbang through the door! Hit the target! Position 4! Position 5, go! Hit the targets! Go! Flashbang through the door! Go!
Ne.
Sprint to the finish.
All right, Soap. That's enough. You'll do.
To je
Climb up
to.
the ladder if you want another go.
Ne hvala ti.
Gentlemen, the cargo ship mission is a go. Get yourself sorted out.
Sad idemo na prvu misiju. Prije da čekam. Regular. Odlično. Neću nikakav. Soap. Kako kiša pada. Ovo je preglasno. Smanjim malo zvuk samo. Može ovako. Sjećam se.
Sweet dreams.
Greo te.
Crew quarters clear. Move up. Got two on the platform. I see them. Target neutralized. Tango down.
Trebam neko što profesionalno puca ko ja, brate. Ti si gaz.
We've got company. Hammer 2-4, we've got tangos on the second floor. Copy. Engaging. Bravo 6, Hammerhead being on fuel. We're bugging out.
E sad, ne komentarišem previše jer sam se skoncentrisao na igricu.
On my mark. Go. Check your corners.
A pa makni mi se s puta.
Clear right. Clear left. Check both corners. Always clear. Move up. Clear right. Stairs clear. Movement right.
Kuda talasi? Ne, nisam.
Tango down. Always clear.
Jao, milo mi je.
Check
Ne.
your corners. Clear left. Ready, sir.
Gas ja, Ivan.
Move up. Stand by. On my go. Standing by. Flashbang out. Go. Gatwall clear. Got you covered. Move up.
Dobro, sada sam...
Squad on me.
Ubio sam ovog lika ovdje. Šta
Whole
je?
area clear. No tangos inside. Move up. Keep it tight. Zero movement.
Sem ovih mojih bombi, nema ništa drugo.
Ready, sir. Go. Clear left.
Ajde, prepade me.
Move.
Pa gdje idem, gore ili dolje? Gore.
Move behind.
Pucajte se, pucajte me.
Move up.
Ajde, šta je s ovim mišem? Ne, ovo je baš govno. Pa koliko ovo govno ima metaka? Ne, 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 ne! Gdje si ti?
Back up. Stand by. On my go. One ready. Two ready. On my mark. Go.
On my mark, go. Baš mi je lošno što im na ovom kalašu. Neće kalašati drugu pušku.
Tango down.
To je to. Sad.
I'm getting a strong reading, sir. You might want to take a look at this.
Evo ga.
It's in Arabic. Faceplate, this is Bravo 6.
Ovo nije predostrežnjenje radioaktivnost. Šta? Ajde. Bježi odavde. Oh, fuck. Šta sad? A, majko. Ajde, rodi nešto. Ajde. Aj. Ne. Ne može ovo, sad, ne sad. Jo, trči. Ne. Trči. Pa bježimo, čuđe smo. Oj. To, ne. Neka ti ga vala. Umori me svoga, vrate. Infinity Ward presents Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare. To je to. Ekstra uvod. Malo sam naučio da ciljam, da pucam i tako. Ja znam da ste vi uživali. Ako jeste, obavezno stisnite like, share i subscribe. Mi se vidimo u nekom od sljedećih klipova. U sljedećem klipu vjerovatno će da bude Call of Duty 4. Ili možda bude agar.io, ne znam sad. Ja znam da ste vi uživali i mislim da će ovo da bude dobar serijal. Ovo je bio jedan od luđih uvoda i imate pozdrav od Dule Brat Lud. I to bi bilo to. Mi se vidimo. Ćao!